Hi, this is Dr. Munyon with Exotic Vet Care, and today we are going to work on syringe feeding a rabbit. So rabbits or guinea pigs or chinchillas, many animals, may need to be syringe fed if they aren't eating enough or at all on their own, because their whole gastrointestinal tract is geared towards constantly having food come in and constantly processing that food on out. Anything that interrupts that process can make rabbits or other herbivores very ill. So one of the most important things we can do is keep food going into them. So for this, we have our rabbit, a towel just in case. We're probably going to need it for Matilda. A little towel to wipe off their face because they can get a little messy. Your syringe and food already drawn up, and if you need extra, having that ready nearby, and a little time and patience. Syringe feeding is something that you don't rush. Otherwise, you get frustrated, your pet gets frustrated, and there's food everywhere. We have our rabbit teaching skull here. As you can see, it's not a very healthy rabbit, but it'll do for what we need. So they have their big front teeth here. Then they have a big space where there aren't teeth. And then back here, we have their cheek teeth, which are the grinding teeth. So when we're giving oral medications or feeding a rabbit, we aim the syringe on the side, past the teeth here, to aim for the spot that doesn't have any teeth. And it's a nice little window for giving medications and food. First off, we're going to test and see if Matilda will accept the syringe feeding. So I'm going to put a little bit of the food out, see if she's interested. And she is not. So we're going to go ahead and burrito her. So she's nice and snug, so she can't hop away or box me or anything else that might keep the food from getting into her. So we got our syringe, we got our rabbit. And we're going to go ahead and go behind the front teeth and give her a little bit of food. And you can see she's cooperating and chewing and eating it. So go as much as they'll eat at a time. You can tell that you're going too fast when they start pushing the food out and it starts falling down here. Let's go ahead and give a little bit more. Yeah, she actually likes that, I think. So go ahead and give her a little wipe. Wasn't a fan of that. I know. You see, she's not a fan. I still have control. And just patiently getting more food into her. And you continue that for however long they'll tolerate. Sometimes it helps to give them a little break to have their head and chew and take a breath and then catch them again to do it. Some animals prefer if you give it to them in a spoon or in a little dish. There's all sorts of things that you can try, but this is a very important thing for you and your pet to feel comfortable doing when they're not feeling well.